Hello, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to crop an image to 600 by 600 pixels using PhotoFilter. Whether you need to prepare photos for official documents, like the Electronic Diversity Visa program or any other project, this method has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open PhotoFilter on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download and install it. Click on File and select Open to load the image you want to crop. Choose your image and open it. In the toolbar, look for the crop tool. It typically looks like a square or rectangle. Click on it to activate the tool. Click and drag to create a selection box on your image. This box defines the area you want to keep. Make sure it covers the relevant portion of the image. Right-click inside the selected area and choose Manual Settings from the context menu. In the Manual Settings dialog, adjust the width and height as needed. You can make them any dimensions equal to or greater than 600 by 600 pixels to maintain flexibility. After setting the dimensions, click OK to apply these settings. Fine-tune the position of the selected area to ensure it includes the part of the image you want to keep. Right-click inside the selected area again and choose Crop from the context menu. This will remove the surrounding area, keeping the selected square or rectangular area. Right-click on the cropped image and select Image Size from the context menu. In the Image Size dialog, set both the width and height to exactly 600 pixels to meet the 600 by 600 pixel requirement. After setting the dimensions to 600 by 600 pixels, click OK to apply these settings. Once you've completed the cropping process, go to File and select Save As to save the cropped image. Make sure to choose a suitable format, such as JPEG, that fits the requirements of your project. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped your image to the required 600 by 600 pixel dimensions using PhotoFilter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more programming and IT-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.